been sick in 20 years. Ingredients: coriander, parsley, water. 1. Coriander. Coriander is rich in potassium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining normal blood pressure levels. Potassium helps relax blood vessels and promote healthy blood flow, reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. Incorporating coriander into your diet can support healthy blood pressure levels and contribute to overall cardiovascular health. 2. Parsley. Parsley is an excellent source of vitamin A nutrient essential for maintaining clear vision. Vitamin A is necessary for the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in the eyes that helps with low light and color vision. Including parsley in your meals can help support eye health, improve vision, and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions, such as macular degeneration. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications.